Hey, Kyle Stringham here at Canopy Mortgage and KYLECAN.com. Hey, this is a value add video. So what I mean by that is this is something that you use in the real estate purchase process that allows you to get offers accepted. It allows your offers to stand above the rest. If you end up in a multiple offer situation, this is one of the strongest ways that you can use to make an offer that will be very serious to those buyers and gives them all the information they need to get your offer accepted. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out, this is a 2-page offer letter. So we'll go through page 1 and page 2, and I'll do this kind of quick, but really what this speaks to, if you'll notice, this says, "Dear seller and seller's agent." So normally these letters, of course, they're going to be delivered to the buyer and the buyer's agent. But this offer letter is speaking to them. This first part is really a personalized letter that talks to the seller. And it says, "We are pleased to inform you that we have conducted a thorough due diligence on behalf of the buyer to confirm their ability to purchase your home. Unlike our competitors, we manage the entire mortgage process, from loan origination, processing, underwriting to funding, at the corporate level. Now, this business model enables us to close our loans on time and keep all parties informed, okay? So this is an important piece because it tells them that, hey, you're not pre-approved by a broker. They're not hoping that your loan gets done if they accept this offer. We know that this loan is going to get done. And it lets them know we have done our due diligence to take care of you. Now, the next part is this pre-approval letter is a testament to our commitment and earning your trust. Our dedicated team will work relentlessly to ensure your transaction is closed on time. We aim to be your first choice lender, understanding the great responsibility that comes with your trust, okay? So that seller at that point is going to really take your offer seriously, okay? Now, the last part is us speaking to them, but it tells them, please reach out and feel free to talk to us if you have any questions. But let's get into kind of what I call the powerhouse part of, this offer letter, okay? So this is where it shows details from you as the buyer, okay? This is showing the details that you are sharing with them, what you're looking for in the transaction. Do you have a house to sell? Yes or no? Do you have a lease to get out of? Yes or no? Do you want seller's concessions as part of this transaction? Yes or no? And then we specifically do not put an amount in there because we want to let your agent really craft a custom offer that allows them. They are masters of writing the real estate purchase contract. And that is what is so important about your real estate agent, is that they are going to take their experience and knowledge and really put it on paper and put that offer in front of those sellers so they can get you this home. Many times when we fall in love with these homes, these offers need to be strong. They really need to be moving so that that seller will accept that offer, okay? So, and, get you the terms that you want. So it goes through all those questions, and then it tells them the lender has completed a verbal discussion with you, the buyer, including a discussion on income, assets, and debts. The lender has obtained a tri-merged credit report and an AUS automated underwriting approval, okay? So this is kind of a key. This lets them know, and the seller's agent will be very, very straight with them about this, that you've been through underwriting. You have an automated underwriting approval, and that the lender has taken all the due diligence necessary to make sure that you can close on this home as agreed. Now, based on the information provided, the buyer is approved for a purchase price of X, okay? So this will be the number that we put in there for what you're approved for, 400, 600, 700, depending on, the purchase that you're looking to make. And yes, we can customize all of this to the offer that you would like to make, but especially that number if you would like to, disclose a different amount, okay? Now, the next paragraph right below is showing that they actually have given all of the documents. You as the buyer have provided the needed documentation so that as soon as you find that property, you are ready to roll. We can immediately go into inspection, appraisal, and over to underwriting so that we can get this closed in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, as fast as that seller's going to need, and so that we can get this home for you. And then the last part is really just a full legal disclaimer, okay? This legal disclaimer in this last little paragraph is on every pre-approval letter. offer. And it just says that we've collected everything to our best abilities. Information can change during the loan process. If something else is exposed during that time, we will do our best to make sure that we deliver on what we promised. But this is a 60-day approval. Now that's good too, because it tells the seller that, hey, within the last 60 days, I've been pre-approved for a mortgage. All of the information has been checked and I am here making an offer. And then you'll see my signature at the end. You guys, in closing, this is a very strong way for you to go in and make an offer on a property. I know this video ran a little bit longer than I supposed, but please take this as our commitment to you to deliver a great mortgage process and a great mortgage closing for you, mortgage experience. So all of my team here at Canopy Mortgage, KYLECAN.com, we're excited to work with you. Please reach out to me in regards to this, and we would love to share more details of our commitment to you, like our welcome packet that you'll receive as a buyer with us, so you can really understand the process. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.